In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an account error in Facebook Ads Manager immediately. So let's dive right in and ensure your ads run smoothly without any hiccups. First, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type Facebook Ads Manager into the search bar. Ideally, it should be one of the top search results, so click on that link. This will take you directly to the home page for managing your ads. Once there, look for the Go to Ads Manager button and click on it. This button should be prominently displayed on the home page. If you're not already logged into Facebook, you'll now need to enter your email and password. It's important to ensure you're using the correct details associated with your Facebook ads account to avoid any login issues. After entering your information, press Login to access the Ads Manager platform. Now that you're logged in, head over to the campaigns dashboard. This section is crucial as it displays all your current and past ad campaigns. From here, locate and click on the Billing and Payments tab. This tab helps you keep track of all financial transactions associated with your ad campaigns. Next, you'll want to access the payment settings by clicking on Payment Settings. This is where you'll be able to view all your billing information in detail. Check here for any payment dues. It's imperative to stay on top of any outstanding balances, as unpaid dues might be the reason your ads account has a flag. Make sure to pay all your dues promptly. You can do this by reviewing your billing statements within the payment settings. Once you've ensured that all account balances are cleared, move on to managing your payment method. Click on Add Payment Method to view or update your listed payment information. It's crucial to ensure that your payment method is up to date and accurate. Even minor errors could prevent successful billing, causing disruptions to your ads. Additionally, verify that your chosen payment method has enough funds to cover the anticipated spending for your ads. Overlooking this could lead to processing errors, preventing you from continuing your campaigns effectively. With these steps completed, you should have resolved the account error in Facebook Ads Manager. By regularly monitoring your campaigns, billing and account settings, you can avoid potential interruptions, ensuring your advertising strategies are consistently performing as expected. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you keep your Facebook advertising efforts running smoothly.